wetin comfort to do now to Odogwu na good thing. Na good thing. See, as she become the react now, they misbehave for compound. Taking advantage of pregnancy now, they can be stopped. I see reason why people have to let this girl go to your papa house. Comfort, you have to go to your father's house. There's no room for all this rubbish what you do for the house. You can't give room for all this rubbish. Somebody build the house, not this your money to be there. You know when the young man they suffer, they build this house. So you get the girls now, you want to tell them make it, they decide for what you do for your house. Use kind to keep pregnancy when you carry when you declare. But they will send this girl back into her father's house. She cannot stay. She cannot bear the pain or everything that she's saying there. But what do you not think? What do they do?
What's the meaning of all this rubbish now? What's the meaning of this? I don't understand. What is it? Eh?
Get inside, my friend. Come on, get inside.
If you don't know, I will tell them to bring you here. But listen to me, in case you don't know. Follow.
This compound. What's the meaning of all this thing now? Is it not over? How many days now? This is going to 3 days. Why are they disturbing me? Like people are disturbing me. You should get out of this compound. Who are you?
Come for relax.
You should have gone. You have to come to me.
Get inside, my friend. Come on, get inside.
If you don't know, I will tell them to bring you here. Tell them to bring you. Come for me. You have to come for me. Why do you want to say wrong? Why do you want to say wrong? I will not allow you to bring your order. What do you even feel like?
Number one, go call Odogwu. Come.
Get out of where? See, if you misbehave, don't allow me to order them to beat you. If you think you can follow my money, stop down, yo.
Mama, why are you shouting on me? Mama, why are you shouting on me? God, I want to say. I want to say.
Go inside. Go inside.
Abba, see, Odogwu say make una allow make him come.
What's the meaning of all this rubbish now? What's the meaning of this? I don't understand. What is it? Eh? Odogwu? What's the meaning of all this thing now? Is it not over? How many days now? This is going to 3 days. Why are they disturbing me? Like people are disturbing me. You should get out of this compound.
Who are you?
Come for relax.
Is it your compound?
Come for relax.
Odogwu, tell them to get out of this compound. Tell them.
Is that you want me to
Don't
lock
come
you?
close to me.
Listen to me.
Tell them to get out.
Listen to me. Is that you want me to lock you inside this house? You hear me so? I don't give you freedom now. You come back with one buy. You won't use that opportunity now to cause problem. Is that you want me to lock you? If you cannot stay inside this compound, how is it disturbing you? If you cannot stay inside this compound, put your phone down now.
They have been playing this is over 3 days now.
And so?
Tell them to get out.
Who are you? In case.
I don't need this noise. I said.
Hold on.
Come for.
Leave on. But listen to me. In case you don't know. Hold on.
Get out of this compound.
In case you don't know.
This is not I will order you well. In this compound.
This drama.
What is wrong with this girl? What is on?
Today again. I'm not going to blame you.
What is on this?